They've just come down after flying for 2 hours and 10 minutes. That's them just come down. So I'm not cleaned the loft out yet, but they've had a good fly this morning, I'll tell you. They were out at 9:30 and they've just come down. It's now 10 to 12. So there you go. So they're all in good nick, they're all looking good. So as you can see, I've put a bath out for them. You know, it's always a good idea during the molt to put a bath out for them. I mean, they're all starting to look like pictures now, given the fact that they're over the molt. Well, most of them are. Most of them are on their last flights. There you go. Come on in. Come on. Come on. So, honestly, 2 hours and what, 20 minutes they flew. Come on. I did it yesterday morning as well. I did it the day before that too. There we go. Come on in. You didn't go in there, you cannot, you didn't go in there. You didn't go in there. Come on in, come on, come on in. Come on, come on in, come on, come on. There you go, that checker coat, his number's 1013, he's a raw pigeon, he really is. Look how he's in great condition. Look how he's in great condition. Come on, lady, on you go. On you go. There you go, see? They love a bath, so they do. Absolutely love a bath. It's not even that cold, the sun's been out most of the morning. So 9:30 this morning, it was just slightly frosty. As soon as I let them out, they took off. There you go. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. I'll stand back a bit and most of them will all come down again. Come on. Come on in, come on, come on in, come on, come on in, come on. I'm going to show you something. There's a wee hen in here. There she is, there she is, there she is, a wee hen. Yeah, she is, she's a braw wee pigeon, she really is. I bought her off Ali Robertson for Gilman in Edinburgh. I bought her to go with the two cocks that he gifted me. You know, a son of his Gold Cup winner and a brother of his Gold Cup winner, so I bought her to specifically go with these two cocks. I believe they made her Tundick Braw pigeons, and she's a wee cracker too. She's in liquor, she's got 3 bars nearly. That's a family trait. She's a braw wee thing, she really is. Come on in! Come on in, right, as you can see I've not cleaned the loft out, but it's a good idea right now to just sort of, you know, take a good look at the droppings. Everything's good. You know, everything's good. Everything is good. There we go. Right. Yeah, everything is good. Everything is good. Come on in, come on in. Come on in, come on. Come on in. Let's see what they're all doing. Come on in. Come on in you come. Yeah. Right guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Cheery cheery!